arbitrationagreements.org. Today I've got an important question that needs tackling. Do you need a lawyer for arbitration? Well, sit back and relax as we delve into the nuances of arbitration and how having a lawyer by your side could shape this process. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. First, let's break down what arbitration is. It's an alternative to court litigation, where a neutral third party, an arbitrator, helps in resolving disputes. You know, it's considered to be a more relaxed and flexible approach compared to the traditional court system. Now you might be wondering if you need a lawyer during this process. Well, technically it's not a requirement. You can indeed go through the arbitration process without a lawyer, but having one could offer some benefits. You see, about 60 to 80% of individuals prefer arbitration over court litigation, according to recent studies. And a considerable part of this preference stems from the fact that arbitration is often faster and less formal, which can sometimes make it less daunting to navigate even without a lawyer. However, getting legal representation can give you an edge, especially if the dispute is complex. A lawyer can help guide you, provide legal advice, and even represent you during the hearings. Let's look at the potential advantages of having a lawyer in the arbitration process. For one, they bring legal expertise to the table, which can be vital in presenting a strong case. They can help you understand the finer legal points and craft a strategy that aligns with your goals. Moreover, they can assist you in preparing documents, gathering evidence, and presenting your case in the most compelling manner. So remember, while it's not mandatory to have a lawyer during arbitration, having one can indeed smooth out the process and potentially work to your advantage. Just keep in mind, the decision to hire a lawyer should be based on various factors, including the complexity of the case, your comfort level in handling legal matters, and your financial capacity. Do you need more information about arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what's your opinion? Do you believe it's truly necessary to have a lawyer represent you during arbitration? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.